Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lake Holiday, local and long distance movers near me. The team that is best for your long distance move offers the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to move to a new location more than 100 miles away, we can help. This type of long distance move will come with plenty of stress. However, hiring professional movers will eliminate many tasks and help make your moving day less stressful. A local move might not seem like it requires an Illinois moving company, but you could be wrong about that. Without a moving company helping you, the hard work and heavy lifting falls to you. Do you really want to ask friends and family members to help load up the truck? Are you looking forward to doing all the heavy lifting on moving day? With 3 Movers, you want to work as hard. We take care of the heavy lifting and save you plenty of time too. Our team of movers will get you to your new location faster. A move that would take you all weekend to complete only takes us a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lake Holiday moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.